I'm breaking out and all that. They want to put me on the internet looking like this.
Don't worry about that. So, how you doing?
I'm good.
First time shipping with us?
Yes.
So, how you hear about us?
From a friend overseas.
That's nice, wonderful. Well, we take it from overseas to Jamaica, ship it exactly at your
South
location, at your door.
Yes, South Borough.
Okay, thank you again for shipping with us. Have a
You're
nice day.
welcome. Thank you.
Yard, abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. Awa, you know what? Shipping items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. When you wait, man, do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. Where you wait, man? We are in the streets. Watch me.